Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on Binance. Make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. And now, once you are on Binance, you want to click buy crypto, buy and sell, and you will be redirected to this page where you can go ahead and buy Solana with card, Visa, MasterCard, Paymonade, or Google Pay. On the phone, you can go ahead and buy it with Apple Pay, and it will look like this. Pay with Apple Pay. Now, if you want to go ahead and choose card, you just basically enter the amount which you want to spend and you will receive, let's enter it, and you will receive this much Solana. Then you click pay if you already have added your card. If not, click add new card. And right here, you will enter your credit or debit card number, expire date, and CVV, and that's basically it. You will be able to pay for it. Now, another way would be to go to your assets right there. And for example, and on the spot, and for example, if you already have like USDT or USDC, you can go ahead and click on trade, where you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see, you can buy Solana with spending USDC, just like so. You enter how much you want to buy, for example, 10. That's the total amount you need to pay, and you just click buy Sol. And also there's an option to, for example, convert your cryptocurrency to Solana. So for example, if you have USDT, you click convert and then choose Solana, just like so. You spend the amount to Solana, and after this you click convert, and that's how you buy Solana. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe. You will find your Solana right there on the spot, and by clicking this button to see your balance.